Do you want to pin a conversation on Twitter X? You can pin your important chats on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To pin a conversation on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, find the conversation you want to pin at the top. Press and hold the conversation. A menu will appear with different options. Tap on Pin Conversation. The chat will now move to the top of your inbox. This helps you quickly access important chats without searching for them. Keep in mind that you can unpin the conversation anytime using the same menu.